This week, I want to show you how quickly and simply you can do things on MOT Manager. Hey, this is Chris. Welcome back to another show. We're in February 2024 as we record this episode, and already lots and lots of garages have started the new year by getting MOT Manager in place. If you haven't got in touch yet, don't forget it's all about a demo. That's the most important thing. We might not be the right fit for you. You might be looking at different solutions. In just 10-15 minutes, we can see if there's a possibility that you can work with MOT Manager. So if we're in your thoughts and you're thinking that we could potentially be a good fit to work together with our team, our system, and your garage, then just have a demo, no pressure whatsoever. In 10-15 minutes, we can have a look at it together. One thing we get told all the time, which we totally understand by garage owners, is you're just so busy. One thing we fully understand is that your garage can go in different directions throughout the day because you never know how the day is going to go till you start working on cars turn up, phones start ringing, etc. For that reason, we've really focused on MOT Manager in you being able to do things very quickly when you're pushed for time. Let's have a look at that this week. Okay, so first thing I want to do is show you how simple it is to book in a car. Do not get hung up on this particular diary layout with times and ramps because that would all be modified for yourself. But however you have your diary set up, the booking in process is this simple. So you select a slot that you want to book it into. You pop in the customer's reg. If they don't know their reg, you can override it. And then any information that we have already populated, so whether we can get that off the reg, whether they've been in the garage before, so you might need to pop a name in. And then it's just click, drop down to select what actually they're coming in for, any quotes and notes, and then literally just book it in. So booking a car into MOT Manager takes seconds. The other thing you can do is you can drag, drop, and move things around, or maybe just even delete it for any reason if you need to. That is just seconds to book in a car. Another one we've been covering a lot with garages recently is how quickly you can create an invoice. So let's take that booking that we just did that came in for an MOT. If that just passed the MOT, all you would do is click on the reg, click on invoice, click create new. Then this labor button is where you very cleverly save lots of items that you would use regularly. So we click on the MOT, obviously no VAT on an MOT, and there's the invoice. And we can have these all branded up for your garage. You can have them all personalized. So booking a car in just takes a few seconds. Creating an invoice literally just takes a few seconds. And in the background, this is all being managed for you. So there's tools in the background that manage all this information. So you're just entering very simple amounts of information, and then we can automate. So for instance, all your MOT reminders will automatically go out off this diary. So you don't even need a few seconds, 0 seconds, because your MOT reminders will be automated. Another one we get asked a lot is queries from customers. So having a customer database, and this can have things you've done previously on the car, previous invoices. These could be trade customers that you're working with who want to query their bill or how many vehicles. So again, managing your clients and getting up the history of a client, again, can just be done in a few seconds. This is what we built here at MOT Manager. So we launched back in May 2016, predominantly just doing very simple MOT reminders. And everyone said, if you build a simple but smart system, then you will have a lot of garages that will be interested in that product. So because MOT Manager is so simple to use, coming right back to what I said at the start of tonight's show, a demo literally in 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, I can take you through a few more parts of MOT Manager. Then you might want to go away. You might want to come back with what I call the shopping list, the questions or the scenarios that you're looking at, and we can go over that. You're never under any obligation. So we might have 3 or 4 chats or some emails or some texts, however we do it, that works for you. And you might say, do you know what, Chris, we're going to go in a different direction. Or you might say, do you know what, I think this is what we're looking for. So it's all in your control. Very clear pricing structure, and we do unlimited packages as well, so you get a fixed monthly fee for unlimited use, so you know exactly where you are with your costings. I'll put a link in so you can find out how you can book your demo.